It's a beautiful day right here at TAZS's Wig Closet. Today we're going to explore a new style by Estetica for winter 2025. I am wearing Arlo in the color RH1488 RT8. It's right up my alley. Just a long, medium length bob style cut, and it has this beautiful beach wave to it. It's casual and fit for everyday wear with some really nice monofilament features. You can find it right here at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you right to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing of this style. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. The overall length on Arlo is about 14 inches. That reaches the sweet spot for so many of you because sometimes when you get over 14 inches, it just becomes cumbersome and a little bit too long. So this is just the perfect mid-length. It comes down to my collar, but I'm only 6.5 from hairline to chin. Right there in the front, right around a 9.5 to 10 inch piece. And it kind of feathers back into the style, so really you're getting that overall look of about 14 inches. It's limited in layering all the way around, but what really gives it that casual flowing look are these beautiful broken spiral waves. And it sort of has this brushed out look to it on the ends. It gives it that fullness, that voluptuous nature without being too thick of a density. And I think they've gone through and just razored those ends. And that gives it that brushed out look. All you have to do is kind of plump it here with your fingers and you can get that full fleshed out look that you love. Now the density on this one is average. This is made from regular synthetic fiber, so it is not heat friendly. It features a temple to temple lace front left monofilament side part. I'll show you an inside look at the cap while I get up close on this lace front for you. Done very, very well. So that lace front does extend back into the ear tab, so you won't get the glimpse of any seams there. It's a nice fine knotting process. It fits the head beautifully. You've got that left monofilament side part that runs back to the crown. We've seen caps like this by Estetica. I think Estetica does a great lace front monofilament part style, but it does leave a lot of room for permatease. Arlo has a lot of permatease. So anywhere, everywhere, and anywhere on this cap has that thick, pillowy type permatease on it. It doesn't feel too heavy. It actually doesn't feel too overdone. It's just enough that I can put my fingers in there and sort of scrunch in some volume. RH1488 RT8 to me always feels like it's a medium to dark honey blonde with some very pale gold blonde highlighting in there. And it's not too gold on this application. I really love this color, and if you want this in an unrooted shade, you can get the regular RH1488. This Arlo is right out of the box, guys. All I did was take it out of the box, give it a quick shake, find my parting space, worked it a little bit around the face, and here you have it. So let me just move this around for you and we'll style it a little bit. This gets you familiar with the density, the movement of the style, and it also inspires you to work with it and make it your own. Everybody have a great day. Check it out at Wig Studio One. See you next time.